Pagdating ng ratio, kasama sa buhay yung mga negative bagay. Sayang naman yung ganda ng buhay, di ba? Enjoy yung isa. You know, grabe siya.
Na-resolve niyo ba kayo sa iyo?
Yes, na-resolve namin between us. So, okay naman kami. Hindi kasi actually si Shai asked me about it. Sabi niya ito lumabas. What's good about our relationships? That we're really open. So I said, say what is true, what is sincere, what is right, what is honest. And you'll never go wrong. So even if you are mistaken, as long as you know that you're communication lines are open and that you have a healthy relationship, that you're honest with each other.
So sino mas good? Ikaw ka siya?
Yeah, sarap na mega sardines. Kumain ka naman kasi sardines.
So, ba, confirm na wala na rin yung stars? Scrap na?
Walang written in our stars. We had a look this last week for parang basic promotion for the Northern License coming out sa March 20.
Yung movie with Din, is that starting over again part 2?
No, it's not starting over again part 2. It's a totally different story. It's a totally different story. And it was pitched to me. I worried hard to do it. But also,
Yung pa better na movie na lang, than series?
you know, honestly, I like it. But you have to believe because that's the medium. You know, you're visible. Nakikita ng tao sa once a week, so once in a while, miski mahirap din, you have to do it. You reach some point right. Mahirap siya, pero
Miski kasama mo sa akin.
pinipitch pa lang sa iba. Nalalawit na. So, they pitched it to me, like na management. So this week, they're pitching na pwede makasama sa Zoom. Sana pumayag. Some of them will present makasama sa Zoom. And yun, so...
Ay, karang na nga,
No, when they pitched it to me, parang nag-ask. Hindi pa lang alam kung sino yung kung sino pumayag.
drama,
Classic love story, classic soap opera. Balita ba? Wow! You try to keep young by living a healthy life because importante na we take care of ourselves. So para hindi alangan na kasi pag natatawag kang dito nakakabigo na din.
Hindi naman may kiplato, gathering naman gusto nyo na ikaw ang
Oo naman. Sobrang nakakaba ng puso yung kahit na may magbibenta akin sa nanganak, di ba? So I try to, stay young, by doing good things para umagay pa tayo sa mga bata. It's not for me to say. I mean, when it happens, it'll happen at the right time. Hindi ako nang pangunahan yung mga pinong bagay. So far, I'm happy with my career. I'm happy with my life. So, even when it happens, we'll all know it. We'll all see it. I said that when I was 20, I was 25, 30, 35. So every 5 years, sabihin natin, di ba? Hanggang sa mangyari.
Are you the type at this point to settle?
I thought I was gonna settle down at 35, and then I turned 40, and began nagging up my mom, the people around me. All the more that I feel, hindi ko siya iniisip kasi I don't want to be pressured. I don't want to be pressured by the society or by the world around me. So I do what I do. As long as when it happens, it will happen at the perfect time. So I just don't really have time for it.
Ano, hindi ko sa heartbreaker, Rock City.
Ano na sabi? Grabe ka yan, Jake. Diba? Labas na ako dito.
Nakapakay sa anak mo.
Sabi ko naman sa kanya, I always tell him na as long as you don't lead people on and that you are sincere with your intention, yun yun. Yung naman na ilimutan, of course people learn along the way, through experiences, through heartbreaks, through heartaches, you get to be a better person.
Does it bother you from
I have a son. I have a son already. I have a family that I can run to anytime. And in our culture, hindi normal yung maging loner, yung isolated. It's a choice. So for me, hindi ko siya iniisip for now. You know, it's not an issue, it's not a problem.
Pero bakit ka sa kid mo?
Okay naman siya. Nag-aaral, easy. Mas busy pa sa akin. He still does a lot of work. He just released his second single. Tapos he was so excited when he told me na 1 million views na rin per single. Nakakatuwa, you know, these are the things na yung I was starting out, just to appreciate whenever we get the chance. When we hang out, sobrang siyang kwento, sobrang nagsasabi sa akin lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay niya, sa school niya, sa trabaho niya. So he still comes to me for advice, he still comes to me for decisions in his career. Nagpapalakot nga sa akin because there's a pitching with Star Massive that wants me to be there. Para lang, alam mo yun, for guidance. So nakakatuwa kahit may edad na rin siya. He still comes to me for advice.
So may concert ka.
Sabi, kung kaya ng skit, you know, gusto ko sana kakayanin, but if I'm doing a film and I'm doing a show and then I do as a band promo, siguro habang natutulog ako gagawin ganun. Pero hopefully, end of September yan. Thank you. Come again. Balik ko kayo.